Hello friends, Supratic Trust presents Lobo series and I'm here your friend Bikash with the 32nd episode of the story. After enjoying the watching of Snow Monkey, Pratik and Nisha decided to enjoy bath in Onsen. They went there and the receptionist explained. In Japan, Onsen are the country's hot springs and the bathing facilities and traditional inns around them. Japan has many onsens scattered throughout all of its major islands. Onsens, by definition, use naturally hot water from geothermally heated springs. Most of the slightly reddish hot spring water from this onsen contains sodium, calcium, and chloride. It is believed the water can treat nerve and joint pains, fatigue, sprains, women's diseases, among other health problems. Traditionally, men and women bath together without clothes at both onsens and centers. But the gender separation has been enforced since the opening of Japan to the West during the Meiji Restoration around 1868. In this time, Japan rapidly industrialized and adopted Western ideas. All guests are expected to wash and rinse themselves thoroughly before entering the hot water, so that the water in the hot springs would not get dirty. In the onsen, you will get options to get into different types of pools with their distinct fragrance and benefits. When the water is too hot to bear, many people get up from the pool and sit on the side to enjoy themselves. The receptionist suggested, "You come with us and see the facilities. In case you don't like, you can hire a private pool for yourself." They decided to take bath in the private pool as they wanted to be together. Private pool was in an enclosed area attached to a room with open air with snow all around. The bartender suggested them to order for food with small quantity of alcohol as it would keep them warm. They ordered tempura, karage, rice and beer as suggested. Both enjoyed the pool and ate the food for about 2 hours before retiring in the room. Friends, the story ends here. We'll come back with the next episode.